Hey, good morning, everybody. Here's another video update as my paternity leave continues to roll on. There's a couple new assignments for you to do. The first one is going to be a second ALEKS topic goal. Since we've done our knowledge check again last week, this will give us a chance to look at where we are in our ALEKS pathway and learn 8 topics that you need to fill out your ALEKS pathway. Again, these are important because these topics are meeting you where you are as a math student, and it allows you to learn a little bit more about a topic that you might need some intervention on. So take your time, do those 8 topics, and also Spiral Review 7 is due on Friday. So make sure that you, after you finish your 8 ALEKS topics, go into that Spiral Review that has been added for you. Okay? All right, that's all for today. I'll check back with you in a couple of days for your next ALEKS lesson, which will be over integers and Venn diagrams. I feel like we need to go back and revisit that topic. Okay? All right, enjoy your work today, and I'll talk to you in a couple of days. Thanks. Have a good one.